if you're wondering whether Temu is a good place to buy stuff, it actually is. You just have to review what you want to buy, read description, and be sure that you are actually getting what you're supposed to get, because some items might look the same but they might be different things. I don't know if you get. So you have to read the description of everything and read the reviews, see the stars before you go ahead and purchase. Very important. If not, you'll be doing what I got versus what I ordered versus what I got on Temu. Temu is a really nice place to buy things. I have so many other things to unbox.
Got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again.
Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I got some stuff from Temu, and these are some learning stuff for my toddler, and I just want to share with you guys. If you have a toddler and you're wondering where you can get reading essentials, learning essentials, toys, books, just basically what you can use to start off your toddler with learning before it's time to enroll him or her in preschool, this is where you can get them from Temu. I usually start teaching my kids the basic things they need to learn before they start preschool and all that. Very soon, maybe next year, he will start school, he will start preschool. Before then, I want to start teaching him some things. I've already started, but I just bought some additional stuff that I'll be needing. He can count from 1 to 3, even though he's not too conversant with the numbers as yet. He can also read ABCs. He can also identify objects and name them and all that. So I just bought some stuff to help us, improve even more. Let me show you guys the things I bought. I have 2 packages here, all from Temu. No, it's not motorcycle. So this one I got. Wait, sit down. So this one is a coloring book that I got. This is what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like. So they give you the image to color and they give you the place that you're supposed to color by yourself. I hope he enjoys doing this. This is one. And this is just an eyeglass cleaner, eyeglass lens cleaner, right? Yeah. So this is what it looks like. It cleans both front and back at the same time. This is something mommy used to clean her eyeglass. So this is what it looks like. So the next item I got is, this one is a toy. 13-in-1 kit. Yes, it's an educational toy, a 13-in-1 kit solar robot toy. You're supposed to assemble them together, I guess. Let's see what's inside. So this is what it looks inside. So you're supposed to assemble all this stuff to get all these shapes, robotic shapes drawn here. Actually, this is for age 8+. I did not even check the age, I just bought it. But yeah, his brothers will help him out with it. He has the manuals inside. He has manuals on how to use it. So this one will be for him and his brothers. They will help him assemble it. Let's go to the next one.
Mommy?
Yeah?
What's that?
It's a pouch. Wait.
What's that?
It's a bag. I got this pouch for putting my camera accessories, but obviously it looks small. I have something bigger, but this one looks small. Don't know if it's going to be any useful to me. I really thought it was going to be big, but this guy is not letting me make my video. This is obviously too small. Let me measure it with my iPhone. See? It's remaining just a little for my iPhone to be the same size with it. Another one is this. The energy is too much. This one is also an educational toy that also needs assembling. You can use it to build lots of things. I think I'll be attaching the pictures of what they do. I'll be attaching the pictures. Okay, because all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, right? So we read, we also play. Another one is Children Magic Practice Copybook. So let's open it up. It has a pen and extra inks for writing. This is for ages 3 years plus, so he will soon be 3, but he can start practicing. So this is practicing how to write. It's a copybook, how to write numbers, alphabets and all. So this one is for him to use to trace numbers. He also has the alphabet ones. They came 4 in 1: alphabets, numbers, drawing, and the maths for preschool. Let's see the maths for preschool one. It has this, all this. Then there is this one. This one came with also a marker and an eraser. These are the items it came with. I don't know what this one, I think it's an eraser or something. Seriously, I don't know, but we'll see how it works. Let's see the book itself. It's like a flashcard of tracing things, shapes and numbers and all. Just trace. You use it and trace the line like this. See, you trace it, you trace it, you go. So it's for him to master or learn how to trace numbers and alphabets. Let me see if this is an eraser. Yeah, definitely. So when you trace and want to erase, you just use this to clean it off. It's an eraser. Let's go to the next one. So the next item that I bought from Temu is this lint cleaner. This is for removing lint from your clothes. Like this one I'm wearing now, it has lots of jaga jaga on it. So you just use this and remove. Although I'm not seeing the effectiveness now. It's as if it's not doing anything. But we'll see how it works, because this trouser I'm wearing here, it has stuff on it, but this one does not seem like it's doing anything for me.
What? I do my leg.
Let's see how it goes.
I do my leg. On my leg.
All right, go. Mommy is busy.
Oh.
Next item that I got is this early learning book, a help book for reading and talking for toddlers. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So guys, this is how this looks, and this is what is written on it. So let's open it up. Alive is books for you.
A book for me?
It's books for life. Are you ready to learn? Are you gonna learn? Which kind of wahala packing be this now? I don't even know how I'm supposed to open this. Anyways, it's open. So it came like this. A very short books. I think they're about 10 inside, because this is 5. And then another 5. So it has kitchenware, apparel, transportation, living goods, toys, stationery. It's just like a learning book of things. So let's open each one and see. So let's see the apparel one. So it shows sweater, high heels with pictures of it. This one shows coat, scarf, just like that. And it has a very thick cover. This is really cute. The stationery one is like this. It has a stapler, laptop, ruler, pencil. Just this is really beautiful. I like it. Notebook, backpack, folder, scissors. They really made it well to come in handy. This is what this one looks like, and then it has other ones too: colors, climate, alphabets, shapes. Yeah, basically it. Okay, the last but not the least in this bag is this odor remover. They said this thing now is supposed to remove odor from your hands. Like when you cut onions and you don't want the smell of onions on your hand, you just use this to wash your hands like this now in water. This thing is not soap, it's just a stainless steel shaped like this. I don't know how you're supposed to remove odor, but we shall try it and we shall see if it's true or if it's not. So it's an odor remover from your hands. We shall see. So I just bought it. I just wanted to see if it's true. This bag is done. Let's go over to the next one. Okay, I will open it later. Don't say no. You are telling me what to say and what not to say in my own husband's house. What do you mean? I will open later. I got this book. It's a reading book, Red Dancing Shoes. It's just a book. Or is it a flashcard book? I don't know. Alive, don't do that with your teeth. Stop, stop, stop. I'll open it later, okay? Do you hear me? The car?
Yeah.
It's something that we are going to use to build something.
Oh, in this picture. just a car.
Oh, these ones are books actually. They're about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're about 10 books. Alive, wait. This one is Red Dancing Shoes, Favorite Colors, Birthday Gift, Pippi and the Little Bear, Song of Mother Crow, Angry Big Bird, Caterpillar's Home. So this is just like a reading starter for him. Jack's Wish, Cabbage Heart, Winter Bear. They're about 10. Let's look at this winter break and see what it looks like. So this is the first chapter with a very nice readable font. Winter break had arrived and the city bunny felt that the city was too noisy and crowded with no fun. So it's just a very simple reading book. Seriously, I don't know if he's of age to do this, but we are gonna do it just to get him started before it's time to enroll him in school. Okay, the next stuff in this bag is, this one is like a flashcard. I'm supposed to, I think, okay, it's chargeable. So it's like this. It's like a reading toy, and then it has all these flashcards that when you slot inside, it has pictures front and back. It has cat, and then it has dog. So when you slide it in, you have to slide it in, and I think you're supposed to press it and it will read it out. Am I supposed to on it first? Let's see.
Hello, let's play now.
Okay, so you slide it in
Duck.
and it will pronounce it, duck, and then you turn it over to the other side and slide in
Cat.
cat. It will pronounce it for you and then show you and then give you the sound it's supposed to make. Let's try another one. You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Give
Hold
me
on. Let me bring one. Okay.
Give me.
Oh yeah. Keep your hands straight. No. Like this. Yeah, put it. Hold on. Okay.
Flower.
Flower. Okay, bring it out. Put it again. Put it.
Tree.
Tree. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try another one. Put this one.
Pen.
Pen.
No, this is weak.
What did you say? Hen. Oh, hen. Okay, turn this one. Put it.
Dog.
Woo-hoo. Okay, I love this one. I'm liking this one. So it's like this, and then it has a charging cable for it. You will enjoy this one. So let's move on to the next one. Alive, don't worry, we'll come back to this, okay? All right?
Okay.
Let me finish what I'm doing.
I will go to have a rest.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So the next item I got is this. How to draw everything. 300 drawing. This is a drawing book on how to draw everything. This one is not even for kids. This one is even for adults like me now that does not know how to draw. Hey. This will be very good for people that want to learn how to draw things. They will show you how to start, how to extend, and how to finish. This is really good for everyone who wants to learn how to draw everything. Yeah. So I got it for this one. I got it for everyone in this house, apart from my husband and my elder son and my second son. Actually, my other 3 sons, they know how to draw. So it's basically for me and Alive. But we can always improve, right? And the last but not the least, here is excited for toys. Is this? This one is for building stuff.
I need my water.
It's for building stuff.
Give me.
It's just an educational toy also for building house, numbers, whatever you want to build. So open it. I'll open later. So these are all the items that I got from Temu, and seriously, I like them all. I like them. Well, apart from this one that doesn't seem like it's doing the job, but I will see how it works.
No, this one.
This one, your shirt. Okay.
No, that. No.
Where?
It's not.
That one. Okay.
Yeah.
This one is my chairman. He commands and I do. Is he okay?
Let's try.
Let's try. You want to try your mommy's one? Okay. Is he okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's try.
Thank you. Okay.
This is my own first. This one.
Are we done? Okay. All right. Mommy is supposed to be asking you, then you'll be telling me. Okay, what is this?
Pretty books.
Eh?
Pretty books.
Pressing bones?
No. Chocolate pretty books. Egg.
Egg, yes. Okay, see. Now we do like this. A is for apple.
Before chocolate.
Wait, we'll come to that place. So, what is this? Apple. A is for...
Chocolate.
A is not for chocolate. A is for...
Apple.
Good job. B for...
Chocolate.
Who? No. B is for... What is this?
Chocolate.
No, this is book. It's not chocolate. It's book. Yes. B for... B for what? Book.
Big.
C for... You know this one.
Yeah.
What is it?
Cat.
Good job. How about this? D for...
Dog.
D for duck. Look, how about this? E for...
Egg.
Good job. If you enjoy watching this video, definitely like and follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And share. Alive, can you give me space? This is the end of... Alive, stop. The end of this video. So now we have bought. It is now to make our time to teach, to practice, to learn. Say bye. Bye bye. This boy is growing. One is him so like tomorrow no day. That is it. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.